Peer pressure and drinking expectancy among students in Sagayin National High School. My name is Lakaran Nicojib A., student in Sagayin National High School. In global, alcohol consumption increased between 2005 and 2010, remaining relatively stable in 2016, while alcohol-related deaths and disability decreased between 2000 and 2016. The overall burden of alcohol-related harm did not decrease proportionally. In 2016, alcohol was responsible for a significant percentage of global deaths and disability-adjusted life years dailies, with the highest rates observed in Eastern Europe and Sub-Saharan Africa. Clean Mulhipatol 2020. In Asia, a study using a large Chinese dataset found a positive correlation between alcohol consumption and 61 diseases, including liver cirrhosis, stroke, and gout. This association was observed even after accounting for genetic factors influencing alcohol metabolism. However, no significant link was found with chronic heart diseases. Kahong Chan 2020. In national, alcohol use is widespread in the Philippines, linked to socializing and stress relief, despite increased taxes. A study found 64% of students had tried alcohol before age 14, highlighting the need for further research on its academic impact. Brown 2024. Local. Excessive alcohol use among university students is linked to academic failure, poor mental health, and risky behavior, prompting this research to investigate the problem's scope. HTAT et al. 2020. Research objectives describe the level of peer pressure among students considering conformity, popularity, and peer pressure itself. Number 2. Describe the level of drinking expectancy including increased confidence, tension reduction, cognitive motor impairment, and negative mood. Number 3. Determine the significant relationship between peer pressure and drinking expectancy. Number 4. Determine which aspect of peer pressure significantly affects drinking expectancy. Hypothesis. There is a significant relationship between peer pressure and drinking expectancy. As specific aspects of peer pressure significantly affects drinking expectancy. Theoretical framework. This study is carried on the theory of Oldman et al. 1999. High rates of alcohol use among students are linked to academic struggles, mental health problems, and risky behavior. This study investigates this global issue. Conceptual paradigm. Figure 1. Conceptual paradigm showing independent variable. Peer pressure, conformity, popularity, peer pressure, drinking expectancy, increased confidence, tension reduction, cognitive motor impairment, and negative mood. Research design. This study used a descriptive correlation designed to examine the relationship between peer pressure and drinking expectancy. Consumption setting MC Barney and White 2009 for support. Specific percentage or additional source are not provided. Research local. This research was conducted at Sagayin National High School in Asuncion, Davao del Norte. In 2020, its population was 5,048, representing 8.16% of Asuncion total population. This shows a positive growth rate of 2.14% or 483 people compared to the 4,565 residents in 2015. Population and sample. This study sampled 400 students from Sagayin National High School's total population of 1,531. The sample was distributed across grade levels as follows: grade 7, 81 students from a population of 209. Grade 8, 51 students from 197. Grade 9, 73 students from 278. Grade 10, 67 students from 360. Grade 11, 72 students from 276. And grade 12, 58 students from 211. Students were selected using a random sampling method with permission from school administration. Statistical tool. The questionnaire responses will be analyzed using 3 statistical methods. The main to access peer pressure and drinking expectancy levels. First ones to test the correlation between peer pressure and drinking expectancy, and regression analysis to identify which aspect of peer pressure influence drinking expectancy. Results: Table 1, Table 2, Table 3, and Table 4. Table 1. IB indicator, peer pressure 2.69, popularity 2.40, conformity 3.02, overall mean 2.70. Description: moderate, low, moderate, moderate. Table 2. DB indicator, increased confidence 2.34, low, tension reduction 1.93, low, cognitive and motor impairment 2.18, low, negative mood 2.06, low, overall mean 2.13, low. Table 3. R value, correlation, R2, P value, decision, HO, conclusion of relation. 0.57, moderately strong correlation. 0.32, 1.38, accepted, no significant. Summary of findings. The level of peer pressure among students sa Sagayin National High School have an overall mean of 2.70 with a descriptive equivalent of moderate. Number 2. The level of drinking expectancy among students in Sagayin National High School have an overall mean of 2.13 with a descriptive equivalent of very low. Number 3. There is not a statistically significant relationship between peer pressure and drinking expectancy, as indicated by a probability of end leading to the unacceptance of the null hypothesis. Number 4. In statistical terms, there is not significant evidence accepting the idea that peer pressure is impacted by the drinking expectancy, as the calculated probability value of 1.38 is higher than the level of significance of 0.05. Conclusion: the level of peer pressure is low evident. Number 2. The level of drinking expectancy is low evident. 3. There is not significant relationship between peer pressure and drinking expectancy. Number 4. Peer pressure is not significant in predicting the drinking expectancy. Recommendations: Develop evidence-based peer pressure resistance programs for adolescents and young adults, teaching them healthy decision-making skills and the risk of alcohol use tailored to their specific needs. Number 2. Public health campaigns should promote positive social norms regarding alcohol by emphasizing the negative effects of excessive drinking and highlighting healthier alternatives, thus reducing its perceived social appeal. Number 3. Strong family communication and support are crucial in shaping adolescents' attitudes towards alcohol, helping them resist peer pressure and make healthy choices. Open discussion about alcohol and clear expectation are key. Number 4. Alcohol should improve alcohol education within their curriculum, offering age-appropriate information on alcohol effects, underage drinking rates, and peer pressure resistance strategies. Collaboration with parents and community groups is essential for success. Thank you for listening to